it's your girl Rich Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend, and tell your mama and them, because we're lady over here. And without further ado, y'all remember my last video? I showed y'all my thrifted purse that my nana got me, Nana Rare. Well, some of the family members stated, or was it more than one or one? I'm not sure, but one of the family members stated that they would like to see my thrifted collection, purse collection, and it's literally, y'all, what is it? Yeah, it's only 4 bags, y'all. Literally, only 4. So let's get into the first bag, and all of these were purchased by Nana Rare. So shout out to Nana Rare, that's my girl. She purchased this. It's a little, like a little wooden purse. It's so cute. And it has like the pearl spinning handle, this little locket that you actually have to like lift over the lever and pull that open. And it's how it looks in the inside. It kind of looked like a little chest, like what you would put like trinkets in or maybe jewelry. I've never worn it before. I just always kept it in display on my purse shelf. And it says handmade in the Dominican Republic. I'm not sure what this is. Does it says La Loma? If I pronounced that wrong, I'm sorry, y'all. I tried. And it has little golden studded feet. Robusto. Not sure who that is. Maybe this is the artist. It says Vintage Reserva, handmade in the Dominican Republic. And y'all, I just think this is so cute. My nana, she knows me. She likes vintage pieces. So do I. So when she sees stuff, she like, let me get it. And this is so cute. The next purse we have is this cute little purple sequence, because y'all know I love purple. And it's a cute little Coach. It's like a little, what would you say this is? Like a mini pouch. It says Coach Poppy, Coach, established 1941. And yeah, it has a few sequences missing, as you can see, but it's still cute. I've worn this, oh my goodness, y'all. I think I had this since, freshman year of college, possibly. I'm not sure. I didn't have this for a minute though, y'all, if I'm not mistaken. Has a cute little pocket right there. The main purse right here has a little section you can put like stuff right there. And y'all know I love it because it's purple. And y'all see, even the, oh, there we go. So yeah. Now, these pieces, I don't know if they're authentic, whatever, because you know when you thrift, I don't know, because I don't think this has serial numbers or anything in it, inside. I don't know, and it doesn't say, oh wait, does it say Coach? It say Coach on the inside? I don't see no serial numbers. I don't know. It's thrifty, y'all. I ain't even about to get up on here and be lying to y'all. Y'all know I wore this down to the bone, look. But I can always change out the straps, but I thought this was so cute. Nana Rare, she knows me. That's my girl. Let me see another one. Oh, I forgot this purse was inside of here. This is another one. I thought this was so cute. Did I get this? I think I got this. Yeah, y'all, I want to say I was in my early 20s when we went thrifting, and I thought it was so cute. It was definitely giving living single vibes, and that was during the time where I was always watching Living Single, what's another one? Martin, the Jamie Foxx show, you know, even A Different World, like, you know, they dressed in that era, you know, that's hip-hop, pro-black, you know, power to the people, very, you know, that style. That was, I've always liked the retro style. But anyway, this is very vintage. What's this say? Chateau. Made in China. But this is so cute. That's that. Then this other one. Oh baby, I didn't have this for a minute. It's a Coach tote bag. Let me move my water bottle. It's a Coach tote. Y'all, this bag then had it. When I got it, the strap was you know, torn. I just hooked it in here, but I always just stored stuff in it. And the inside is pretty spacious. Oh wow, this one actually does have the serial number. So I don't know, this possibly could be real. That's how I look in the back. It has the actual Coach little tag thing. I don't know. But yeah, y'all. Let me see. I don't remember where I got this purse from. I'm trying to see, was this? Y'all, I had this since, I know for sure, like maybe 1920-ish. Y'all had to be like 19, 18, 19, or 20. Oh, this bag. Oh my gosh. Was this thrifted? Even the straps, baby. Ooh, wee. I probably could salvage this, just cut the straps off and find a cute little strap and just wear it like this. I don't know. Say Fendi right here. It's like a cute little duffel bag. The body's still good. You know, a classic never get old. The body's still good, baby. It's just them straps I'm gonna have to take care of. But I say Fendi right here. I'm trying to see, where did I get this purse from? Oh, the inside. Oh, baby, the inside is dry rot. Got some old cough drops in here, some snotty tissues. You know, I'm just keeping it real with y'all. I could get my grandma to sew the inside, so that's no problem. Because basically, I used to carry this purse to the bone, y'all. To the bone that the inside is falling out. Just imagine trying to find your keys with the keys inside the purse, in the seams. Yeah, I'm gonna get Nana Rare, because Nana Rare, she be sewing. She be knitting and all that, crocheting and stuff. So yeah, it's about to be a group project, all hands on deck. But I do not remember where this purse came from. We might do a do-it-yourself project, y'all, on this purse, and it's definitely gonna be documented. Y'all know I'm gonna show it to y'all. Okay, and the last purse, Nana Rare got this for me. All of these is from Nana Rare, except for that Fendi one, and that one I said that reminds me of In Living Color and all that stuff. But all these purses Nana Rare got me. I want to say this was my very first one. I want to say I had just graduated high school. I was like 16, 17 because I graduated a year early. And y'all, I thought I was the bee's knees. She found this, and I actually did a search where I took a picture of the purse and searched it, and it actually supposed to be a vintage Fendi purse. It says Fendi, Roma, Italy, 1925. I used to wear this when I used to go out on my dates. Well, let me not say it like that, because that sounds... When I used to go out, like, I was hanging out, whether I was with my girls or dating a guy. So, when I wanted to be cute, you know, just a little, you know, cutesy, I would wear this. Got a little inserts in here, the little bubble inserts, but nothing major. And yeah, y'all, it does say... No, I don't say Fendi on here, but it has some type of serial number on the button. This is the back part, and y'all, the body's still good, the strap is still good. Y'all, I just thought this was so cute. And yeah, this is my thrifted collection. Thanks and shout out to Nana Rare. Yeah, she's the one that got me into thrifting. I remember always going to the thrift store, even at a young age, like a preteen young, and you know, thrifting their Goosebumps books and Babysitter's Club books, and child, just getting all types of stuff. Yeah, I remember those days. Oh my goodness. Shout out to Nana Rare. I know you watching this, girl. Me and Nana Rare, we always be going thrifting. We haven't been thrifting lately, but we have to start. And it be due to my schedule, because baby, she know her grandbaby trying to work and get through this schooling, so I can take care of her and my mama. But yeah, me and Nana Rare, our thing has always been thrifting jewelry, purses. Y'all know, I told y'all I thrifted hoodies. I got this one, I think it's a Tommy Hilfiger windbreaker. It's like vintage, like the vintage throwback one. Y'all, that's like me. I don't wear pants, like bottoms from the thrift store. That's just me personally. But t-shirts and like graphic t-shirts and hoodies and coats and stuff like that. I had this Columbia coat. Got that from the thrift store, I want to say for like $8. hoodies, calf hoodies, the retro ones. And y'all, I'm gonna have to show y'all my clothing that I've thrifted before one day. But hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.